Hello everyone, this is Inder Preet with ARC Advisory Group, and today we are in conversation with Jay Allardyce. Jay is the Chief Product Officer at Octave. Welcome.
Thank you, Preet. Thank you for having me. Great to be here.
So Jay, to start off our conversation, I want you to let us know what is the plan, because in 2025 Hexagon announced that they're going to spin off another software company, and that's going to be Octave. So what is the plan from there, and what do you think, what kind of impact Octave can have in the industrial markets?
Yeah, you bet. So last year, Hexagon AB announced that they were going to bring together all their software assets and launch a new company called Octave. And that really has been an opportunity for us to bring critical assets, software solutions that so many industrial companies in built environment use today. And kind of one of the biggest opportunities that we see for us as we bring together solutions across a continuum from design, build, operate, and protect. It's an opportunity to really change the way that software solutions are actually being used in supporting our large industrial customers, all the way from EPCs to owner-operators to public safety. So excited to bring a whole new set of capability to the market as a company and really kind of set a mark out there for Octave as a leader in the space.
And Jay, I want to understand a little bit more on that portfolio vision that you have. So can you please share a little more on that how do you think it's going to evolve in this, built environments, industrial markets, and so on?
Yeah, absolutely. So Octave has a vision to really help our industrial customers to design, build, operate, and protect critical solutions in support of their markets and really unleashing intelligence at scale. And so the way we think about it amongst those four pillars is we have solutions for the design theater, and that's everything from engineering schematics and 3D solutions to geospatial. It's helping the design for large EPCs and construction owners to build absolutely the best from an overall engineering perspective. Second is in build, and that is everything with respect to construction, software, supply chain management, labor management, ways to help our construction owners deliver projects on time, on schedule, on budget with the right labor. Third is operate, and this is around as the asset is commissioned and managed, how do we help them operate and run at the best intervals as they should? And solutions within there that span the gamut of market names around EAM and APM, spaces you know very well. And then last is protect, which is really exciting. It's not only a look at OT/IT cybersecurity, but as well as physical security. And then third is a critical piece around public safety. And so Octave today supports and manages the safety of over 1 billion citizens in the usage of our call center solutions for critical dispatch, for fire safety, police, and others.
Yeah, I absolutely agree with you, Jay. And we always say that, when it comes to asset lifecycle management, you have to have the information go from design, build to operate, maintain. And that is definitely, I see as Octave's big advantage. But that's enough of me. I want to hear from you. What do you think is Octave's advantage, and how do you think you'll be able to help your industrial clients achieve success today as well as tomorrow?
Yeah, you bet. So just as a bit of a framing again for Octave, as of the end of 2024, we're about $1.5 billion in revenue, about 7,400 employees, very strong and growing business. So coming out of the gate as a brand new Octave, but with a lot of heritage. So over 30,000 customers trust and utilize our solutions today, which is phenomenal. But the real opportunity is to take this a big step further. So as we think about the application portfolio that we have and how we marry that with the Octave platform, it's an opportunity to look at that life cycle, just as you said. And because we think that waste, if you will, or opportunity lies in between those dimensions. So oftentimes to illustrate that EPCs struggle with a tremendous amount of design changes or the ability to execute and complete construction on time. And so looking at the variables of how that spans across that life cycle, tremendous amount of opportunity for us to help our customers be able to deliver faster. Then in addition to that is really where AI is taking the market, which we'll talk about more broadly, but is an ability to reimagine how work is being done. And so there's a lot of discussion of digital labor and how the way this works agentically. This is probably the one time in my 25-year career that I've seen now where we can bring this at true scale that's actually helping customers drive more revenue, manage profitability, and manage their costs to deliver. So I think for us, it is all about that life cycle, unleashing that intelligence, but not so much looking at the life cycle from a left to right, so meaning design, build, operate, protect, but realizing that those changes downstream can actually flow back into design and build in much more of an autonomous way, which is great.
That is great. Best wishes to you and your team. Thank you so much for joining us today. I really had a great time, doing this conversation.
Thank you for having us. Appreciate it.
So we were in conversation with Jay Allardyce. Jay is the Chief Product Officer at Octave. Thank you so much for watching.